Hello and welcome everybody to Crypto Rosetta. My name is Savage and today we're going to be having a look at VECHAIN. Before we jump into the price action, just want to say thank you for watching the video. If you're enjoying the content, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, turn on those bell notifications so you never miss a video, and why not leave us some feedback down below. Okay, so let's get into the price action. So within this, we were looking at a few things yesterday. We were looking potentially at this box area being our rejection point, and we're still sitting in the midst of it. So there's a couple of options that we were talking about with this, and I'm actually going to just turn this off. And what we were talking about is whether there was a extension within this move, where this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we've actually come up into this box area now. So if this is the case and we have this further extension within this move, effectively what we'd be looking for now would be to see whether we find an additional push up to the upside with this this fifth wave over here. And basically we can see we've come into this area here and we found that support, and we have moved up in this wave over here. So basically we've come into this zone here. There is a lot of overlap in this wave though. I don't really like it, to be fair. The only way it would make sense is that as a diagonal pattern, that we've actually completed this within to this high point here. So I do think that we actually have further to come up here one more time. Though basically if we lose this zone here, let me just pull this fib off of here. Looking at this, so from this area here, if we had to go lower than this 2120, I would basically not be looking for this fifth wave anymore. And we've got to be a little bit careful here because the structure to the downside seems impulsive, at least on this first leg of it. So that means that we could always break down and continue to fall and to continue to the downside here. So basically what I'm looking at within this move is the potential that we could be looking to complete another leg to the downside here. So basically with this, what we'd have from this high point is the potential to move down to a 1-to-1. So the 1-to-1 of this A wave potentially could be a move down towards this zone of this 2141. So if we do move down, I'd want to see if we manage to get to that level. That 1-to-1 would actually be quite pretty much in line with this previous fourth wave that we would have had here, although we've already come down into that zone, so it doesn't need to actually happen like that. It is possible, because we're looking for a fifth wave, that we might also be looking for a diagonal in this pattern, where this is maybe why it's looking quite overlapping at the moment. Alternatively, we could be still looking to extend up here. But basically what we need to be careful of is if we move to the downside deeper, what we would need to be careful of is a move. I'm just going to get onto this high, a move past this 02069. If we do move past that 02069, effectively what that would tell us is that we actually have an impulsive structure here with a 1, 2, and then that would become our third wave, fourth wave, and a fifth wave. So if that does play out in that way that we're talking about here, we'd have to be careful that this doesn't turn into a bigger impulse to the downside, because basically we're looking for this move to complete pretty soon, and then we're looking for that deeper retracement. So we were talking about where is it? So we're talking about this this potential to have this deeper retracement for this fourth wave. So if we start to actually retrace much lower here, it would be possible that we're actually looking to set up for this fourth wave here, and maybe this, and potentially this move is completed into this red box area. So if we are looking to retrace down for this fourth, the support zones we'll be looking for is between this 1894 to this 2091 zone. This would then give us a retracement for this fourth wave, and then we'd be looking for that confirmation by starting that 5-wave move to the upside. Until this fourth wave comes in, we need to be careful, because basically what can happen is we could just roll over from this move and actually just treat it as a move completed here without any extension, and then we look for a deeper retracement. If we're looking for that deeper retracement, we're still looking for the I think I've got it marked up on this other one. We're looking for this potential to actually move into this green box zone. So For the most part, it does look like we are actually going to push up again for this next fifth wave, and then a fourth and another fifth. But we just need to monitor it and see how we go, because if we lose that support zone, basically what we'll be looking for is a retracement down towards this 01823 to this 01650 area. So within this move, like I said, we're sort of right in the guts of it now, and it does look like there is this potential to come back up, but losing this support zone, like that we just talked about, losing this support zone here would indicate to me that we're actually going to start to break down. But confirmation would only come by actually crossing below this 1955. If we move back below that 1955, basically that tells us we can't extend further from this point here, and then would actually mark a completed move within this. So yeah, that's what we just got to be mindful of, is once this does start to break down effectively, what we'll be looking for is those lower targets. So we just need to be careful within this last bit here, because this is getting quite choppy within here, so it's quite easy to get lost in the count here. But for the most part, it does seem like we have the potential for this fifth to come. But like I said, cross below this 0204 area, and effectively this fifth wave is invalidated. So we just need to give it a bit more time. Like I said, it's possible we come down to that 1-to-1, then push up. But if we start to form impulsive structure here, and we can't manage to push back up this 2291 area, effectively what this means is that we have now starting a new trend to the downside within this structure. So it'll be a bigger 5-wave move is what I'd be looking for. Okay, so I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, turn on the bell notifications so you never miss a video, and why not leave us some feedback in the comment section below. In the description, you'll find a link to Discord. Why not come check it out? It's free to join. Once you're in the general chat area, just mention a member of staff, and we'll be happy to help you out. Okay, everyone, I hope that you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care out there, everybody.